Okay, what's up? Got a box from Danscomp this morning, and just figured I'd do a little unboxing on it. So, let's keep going. Didn't do a very good job taping it, but it's whatever. Alright, I got the Shadow Interlock V2 chain. Hang on, I'm going to set this down really quick while I open it. Okay, here it is. I got it in white, and that's just the mesh pin. But yeah, I was just in desperate need of a new chain because I just had the C710 and it sucks dick. Next I have the Shadow Conspiracy chain breaker. Half inch chain breaker. I did a really bad job shipping all this, but whatever. Yeah, it just came in red and stuff. I thought it was gray, but whatever, it doesn't matter. And I got band stickers and the promo codes and the receipt. Sweet. Comment and subscribe.